are going to explain a new grammar lesson for Unit 2. It's about future real conditional. Okay? First of all, let us listen to this song, okay? And after that, we will explain our lesson. Listen with me.
Page 21. Grammar in use. D. Listen and sing along. Going into space.
If I become an astronaut, I'll fly up through the stars. I'll travel in a spacecraft, and I will go to Mars. I'll explore the planet's surface, its craters and dry lakes. Life will be so interesting if I go into space. If I become an astronaut, I'll fly up through the stars. I'll travel in a spacecraft, and I will go to Mars. I'll explore the planet's surface, its craters and dry lakes. Life will be so interesting if I go into space.
Future real conditional. What is the future real conditional? I use it for what? Okay? We use the future real conditional to talk about a possible future situation and what will happen as a result. Okay? Something when you do, what will happen after it. Okay? Future, because you do it now, the result will happen after it. Okay? In the future, the coming hour, the coming day, the coming year. Okay? So, like when you study now, what will happen after that in the exam or in the test, you can answer it correctly, so you will succeed. This is the result of studying hard, right? Okay. So, again, we use the future real conditional to talk about a possible future situation and what will happen as a result. Okay? What is the form of this future real conditional? The form of the future real conditional with if and the simple present in the if clause. So if and simple present or present simple, I call it what? If clause. Okay. What about the other side? Will or apostrophe ll or want and the infinitive. I call it what? I call it main clause. There is an example to understand what we said now. Here, if there is a storm. So here we have this. If there is a storm and we have this, it won't be a problem. So what will happen here, or what can we say? We can say this is an if clause if there is a storm, okay? And the other hand, it won't be a problem. This is what? This is the main clause. It won't be a problem. So here if plus present simple, we have on the other hand will or want plus present plus infinitive. Okay? So again, future real conditional, we use it to talk about a possible future situation and what will happen as a result. Okay, the form of it is if plus present simple as if clause. I say about it, it's if clause. Okay, in the other hand we have will plus infinitive. I call it what? Main clause. Main clause. Okay, like when I say if there is a store, this is what? If clause. It won't be a problem. It won't be a problem. It's what? Main clause. Okay, like when I say if you study hard, what will happen? You will succeed. You will succeed. Okay, so if you study hard, it's what? If clause. You will succeed, it's the main clause. The main clause. Okay, remember, when the if clause comes first, you have to put comma before the main clause. When you say if there is a storm, look here, we have a comma. Okay, comma, it comes after if clause and before main clause. Okay, but if the main clause comes first, so you don't have to put comma. You will not put a comma. Okay, like it won't be a problem. Is there any comma? No. It won't be a problem if there is a storm. Okay, four questions. We will put will in the beginning. We will say, will we go back to Earth if there is a storm? Okay, so this is the question. Will, yes or no question. So I can answer with yes, we will, or no, we won't. Okay, again, I started with the main clause and I made a question, yes or no question with it. So I started with will we go back to Earth if there is a storm? He answered me, yeah, we will. No, we won't. Okay, after that we have what? WH question. We followed it with will. What will happen? Will plus infinitive. What will happen if we slow down? What will happen if we slow down? Also I can say if you can't sleep, what will you do? If you can't sleep, what will you do? If you need to succeed, if you want to succeed, what will you do? Okay? Okay, so question, I use will to start with the question if it's yes or no question. Also I can use will when I say what will happen if we slow down. Here I used it after WH question. I can also say if you can't sleep, what will you do? Here I used if in the beginning and I made a question and at the end. Okay, now we move to exercises. If I time tonight, I will finish the novel that I am reading. Okay, so if I will have, no, if doesn't followed by will. If I am having time, no, I am having present continuous. No, we don't put present continuous after if we have will plus infinitive. Okay, can I say if I have time? I have time, present simple, right? So the correct answer, bravo. I will say if I have time tonight, I will finish the novel that I am reading. Okay? The next one, if he calls me lazy again. Okay, look here. He calls present simple. So if followed by present simple. In the other hand, we will have I help him when he is in trouble. So I will say I want, I am, I don't, I can't. Bravo, I want, because I have present simple after if. In the other hand, we have will plus infinitive or want plus infinitive. Okay, so I will choose I want help him. Okay, so here we took to be understand. So here we took if I have, okay, and here we took I want. Okay, the next one, if David answer my phone this morning or this time, I call him again. So I will say if David won't answer my phone this time, I doesn't. Or I can say if David doesn't answer my phone this time, I won't call him back. I think this is the right one, right? Okay, so we will choose if David doesn't do what? If David doesn't answer my phone this time, I call him again. Okay, okay, move to the next one. Choose the correct sentence. Choose the correct sentence. You will have 1 minute to answer it. Okay, you can read it yourself and answer it with me. Okay, finished? Okay, let's try it. If you won't try harder, you will fail. Is it right? If you want, if followed by want, will want? I think no. Okay, the next one. You are late. If you want, again want, if followed by want? No. The next one, if the game is good, I am playing it. I don't think so. The last one, if the sun shines, what will happen? I will go swimming. Bravo. So which one is the correct one? Excellent. The last one, if the sun shines, what will happen? I will go swimming. Okay. The next one, put the words into the correct order. If, her mother, exams, happy, be, Jane passes will here. So which one of these is the correct one? You will have 1 minute. Okay, before answering this, we will go back again to our lesson to revise it fast. Okay? We use if conditional to do what? To talk about possible future situation and what will happen as a result. Form of the future real conditional, we put if clause followed by main clause. If followed by present simple, I call it what? If clause. And will plus infinitive, I call it main clause. Like when I say, if there is a storm, it will be a problem. Okay? So here, if there is a storm, this is if clause, and it won't be a problem. This is what? The main clause. Okay? Remember that we have to put comma after if clause and before the main clause, comma. Okay? We have to put it like this: if there is a storm, comma, it won't be a problem. Okay? Okay. When the main clause comes first, you don't use comma. When the main clause will plus infinitive comes first, you don't have to put comma. It won't be a problem if there is a storm. Okay? There is no commas. Also, we said that to make a question, we use will to make yes or no question. Will we go back to Earth if there is a storm? Yeah, we will. No, we won't. Okay? I can also say what will happen if we slow down. What will happen if we slow down? So if clause, if we slow down, the main clause, what will happen? Okay? If you can't sleep, what will you do? Okay? If you can't sleep, what will you do? After that, we had our exercises and we answered it, except the last one. So, to get the correct sentence, we have to put if clause followed by main clause and have a comma between them. Okay? He started with if in each sentence. So the right one will be begin with if clause, if plus present simple, and the other hand main clause will plus infinitive. And it should have what? Comma. Excellent. It should has comma between the main clause and the if clause. Okay? So the correct one is, if her mother be happy, Jane will pass her exams? No. If Jane will be happy, her mother passes her exams? Do you think? No, I don't think. Let's look at this. If Jane passes her exams, present simple, what will happen? Her mother will be happy. Right. So here, the correct one is when I say if Jane passes her exams, what will happen? Her mother will be happy. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. Okay, I hope you are okay and now you understand this grammar lesson. Thank you and goodbye.